is a tool that can bring global sustainable peace.
The children are able to address the challenges that are within their communities, and they've done it.
Our learning program is based all around play, multisensory learning, and competency-based skills.
When you look at debate and speech, these are soft skills that even the marginalized, say the disabled, the visually impaired people, the deaf, can easily participate in. We saw that there was a gap in bringing literacy to those who cannot participate in other sports. And therefore we feel debate, we feel speech, we feel poetry, music, we feel art is a strategy that can effectively include even those that are marginalized. As a matter of fact, we are preparing a debate for the visually impaired and the deaf, and I think that is a very good strategy of incorporating literature, even to those that are marginalized.
That is a mere claim. There is no basis and proof for that. It's a mere claim.
Okay, so justify the principle of change that you front in today's
Principle of change. But to give you a clear example, people change after being punished.
If there is going to be sustainable peace in the world, it means we have to include everyone on board, including those who traditionally were not able to read and write, but we are incorporating them in this. If you look at that society today, a lot is happening, especially to do with technology, with the way information is disseminated. We have a population of very young people, and these are the people that have embraced technology, and they have incorporated it in their quest for literacy.
Humanity works on a prosperity of fear. So the other incoming leaders are fearing to get out. It means it is going to be deterrent enough in curbing down corruption, which stays standing. We come and say there is going to be citizen satisfaction simply because they are going to well engage in the fight against corruption, because they know the government is going to work on these leaders itself. We come and show you that the government is going to be playing its role in the efficient way of curbing down corruption.
We have fun, but in that